I'll show you how to adjust the handle in a Toro trimmer mower. Alright, this is how you adjust the handles on here. You see these teeth? Just loosen them up till they're separated on both sides. And then you just lean it back where you want it. And then when you want to tighten it again, just wiggle it a little bit to get them started to be lined up right there. And then come back to the other side, same thing. Wiggle it a little bit, get it started. We'll loosen the other side. Okay, there we go. Pops in there. This one pops in also. You can see the teeth are both together nice and tightly. And similarly, to move it back up for storage, just loosen it up, move it over. You can fold it all the way over like this if you want to. Just don't get any wires bound. Wiggle it. This should line up. There you go, easy adjust.